Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a team showcase to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to introduce your team members, highlight their roles, and create a more personal connection with your visitors. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your website projects are stored. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the team showcase. This step is important if you manage multiple sites under one account, so make sure you select the correct one. Now on the left side menu, click on Website, and then under that, click on Pages. This section gives you access to all the pages within your site, allowing you to choose exactly where you want your team showcase to appear. Next, select the page where you want to add the team showcase and click the Edit button. This opens up the page editor where you can start making changes and adding new content. Inside the page editor, click on Add section. A menu will appear on the left side. From there, find and click on Team. This is where Squarespace stores all its team showcase templates, designed specifically to display team member information in an attractive, organized way. Now you'll see several templates to choose from. Browse through them and select one that fits the style and layout of your website, then click on it to apply it to your page. Once the section is added, click on Edit Content to begin customizing your team showcase. This is where you'll have full control over what appears in the section. In the Elements tab, you can enable or disable various elements like the title, button, show image, show title, show body, and show button. Toggle these on or off depending on what information you want to display for each team member. Then, switch over to the Content tab. Here you can edit the title of your team showcase and manage the individual items displayed. Click on any item to replace the image, change the title, and update the description. This is where you personalize each team member's profile with their photo, name, and bio. You can also remove items that you don't need or add new items if you want to include more team members. Simply use the Add or Delete options to adjust the number of profiles shown. Now head over to the Design tab. Here you can edit the layout, alignment, and content order of your team showcase. This gives you flexibility in how your team section is visually presented to visitors. You can also adjust the columns, image crop, style, size, and spacing. These settings help you fine-tune the appearance so it matches the rest of your website's design perfectly. Once you're happy with everything, click Save. Your changes are now applied, and your team showcase is live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a team showcase to your Squarespace site, giving your visitors a clear and engaging way to learn about your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.